Samsung Galaxy Tab S7 and Samsung Galaxy Tab S7 Plus is to go on sale in India on September 7th. The two tablets were unveiled earlier this month alongside the Galaxy Note 20 series, but at that time, India availability or the pricing was not announced. The Samsung Galaxy Tab S7 series was recently spotted in Amazon.in, hinting at an imminent launch in the Indian market, and now a rumor suggests that pre-orders for the tablets will begin real soon in India and shipping will start from September 7th. Samsung Galaxy Note range may be discontinued next year. Samsung is reportedly considering discontinuing the Galaxy Note series from next year. A report suggests that the S Pen is popular with the Galaxy Note series will brought up into the next year's Samsung Galaxy S21 series. Samsung is looking to focus on foldable phone releases in the later part of the year to fill the wide range of the Galaxy Note lineup launch. According to the report, the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra will come with the S Pen support next. Apple set to plan starting online sales in India next month. Apple is poised to open an online store for the first time in the fast-growing smartphone market of India in next. Sony Bravia X9000H series Android TV launched in India. The new series features full array LED backlighting, HDR, Android TV operating system, supports for Apple AirPlay 2 and HomeKit. It will also have the ability to run upcoming PlayStation 5 games at up to 4K resolution with 120 FPS frame rate. The 65-inch model in this series also supports Sony Acoustic Multi-Audio feature that uses two additional speakers behind the TV screen to produce more accurate positional. Redmi Note 9 Pro Max is to go on sale in India today via Amazon and Amazon.com. Redmi Note 9 Pro Max is all set to go on sale in India today. The Redmi smartphone that was launched in the country is one of the popular options in 20,000 price segment. The Redmi Note 9 Pro Max comes with a punch hole display and carries a quad rear camera setup. The phone also has a gradient back finish and is based on the Xiaomi Sora Balance design. Key highlights of the Redmi Note 9 Pro Max includes 64 megapixel primary camera, Qualcomm Snapdragon 720G system on chip, and 33 watts fast charging support.